Before we start, let's have a pray. And please lead the prayer, MJ. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Alright, before you sit down, please pick up the piece of paper. Everybody sit down. And now, I'll take your attendance first. Who's absent for today? No one? Very good. Are you ready to have fun with math? Alright, and let's make learning more fun. I am your teacher, Junry. Before we start, let's have some reminders to keep on mind. Number 1. Stay alert and focus the video lesson. Number 2. Prepare your pen and paper to your answer sheets. Number 3. Sit back and relax and enjoy our topic for today. These are the following objectives. First, define the measurement and the perimeter. Second, apply the formula of the different types of perimeter and the circumference. And the last one is the third, solve the different types of perimeter and the circumference. Alright, I have here a word puzzle. So all you have to do is we're going to pick a word inside the puzzle. Okay, give me one. Yes, centimeter. Exactly, we have the centimeter. Next, diameter. Wow, very good. Diameter. Another. Kilometer. Wow, kilometer. Next, meter. Yes, we have meter. Exactly, we have liter. So now, among these words, what comes into your mind? Yes, measurements. Our topic for today is all about measurements. So what is measurement? Great! So measurements is the process or the result of determining the magnitude of the quantity. So give me this classification of measurements. We have volume. Exactly. Another. Area. Great. Next. Another one. We have perimeter. So this morning we're going to discuss about perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is what? Hey, so perimeter is a total in a two-dimensional shape. Alright, so there are 4 classification of perimeter. Give me one. Yes, perimeter of a triangle. Exactly. Another, perimeter of a rectangle. Next, we have perimeter of a square. And the last one, we have circumference of a circle. So now, we're going to discuss first the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle, we have a triangle 3 sides. This is the formula in order to solve the perimeter of a triangle, or we're going to find the value of the sides of the triangle. We have perimeter of a triangle A plus B plus C. For example, a perimeter of a triangle with sides 6 cm, 9 cm, and 13 cm. The formula that we're going to use is B triangle equal A plus B plus C. Next one is we're going to substitute the value of our A, B, and C, where A is the first sides of the triangle. So let's say A is our 6 cm. How about B? That is, exactly, that is 9 cm. How about C? Precisely, we have 13 cm. So now we're going to add. Next, equal. Very good. So 6 plus 9, that is 15. Plus 13, that is what? So the perimeter of a triangle equal, that is 28 cm. Example number 2. A perimeter of a triangle with sides 10 cm, 15 cm, and 25 cm. Who wants to answer on the board? Yes? Alright, so let's check the answer of Catherine. We have perimeter of a triangle equal A plus B plus C. Then, substitute the value of our A, B, and C. So we have our A is the first side of the triangle, that is 10. Next we have 15, followed by 25. And then 10 plus 15, that is 25. Plus 25, that is 50. So now, what is the perimeter of the triangle? Very good, so 50 cm. Do you have any questions? Any more clarifications? Great, so let's proceed to perimeter of a rectangle. So what do you mean by perimeter of a rectangle? Yes. That's great. So perimeter of a rectangle with length and width. What is the formula that we're going to use? Perimeter of a rectangle equal what? Length plus width plus width, or 2 length plus 2 width. Did you get it? Okay, I have here an example. A rectangle with sides of 7 diameter and 10 diameter. So now, what is our formula again? Yes, exactly. So we have 2 length plus 2 width. Now, E rectangle equal 2 length plus 2 width. So, substitute the value of our length and width. So we have 2 times our length is 7 plus 2 times our width is 10. Next is we're going to multiply 2 times 7, that is 14. And we have 2 times 10, that is 20. Next is we're going to add. So 14 plus 20 equals 34. So now, perimeter of a rectangle, that is 34 diameter. Did you get it? Alright, another example. A rectangle with sides of 5.5 diameter and 10.5 diameter. Who wants to answer on the board? Yes, James. Let's check the answer of James. Is that correct? Okay, let's find out. So we have perimeter of a rectangle equal 2 length plus 2 width. So we have to substitute the value of our length, that is 5.5 plus 2 times substitute the value of our width, we have 10.5. Alright, so next we have multiply 2 times 5.5, that is 11, plus 2 times 10.5, that is 21. We're going to add, so 11 plus 21, that is 33. Is that the answer of James is correct? That's great. So do you have any question? Any more clarification? Alright, so let's proceed to our perimeter of a square. So what do you mean by perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is 4 sides are the same, where S stands for our square. So for what is the formula that we're going to use? So the formula is what? Exactly. So we have perimeter of a square equal 4S. Did you get it? Okay, for example, a square with sides of 4 centimeter. So the formula P square equal 4S. Then substitute the value of our S. We have 4. So 4 times 4 equal 16. So now perimeter of a square equal 16 centimeter. Another example, a square with sides of 40 centimeter. Who wants to answer on the board? May. Let's check the answer of May. Is that the correct answer? Let's find out. So we have P square equals 4S. That S equal 4 times. Substitute the value of our S. We have 40. So 40 times 4 equal 160. So now, what is the value of our perimeter of a square? So 160 centimeter. Do you have any questions? Any more clarifications? People at the back, do you have any questions? Let's proceed to the circumference of a circle. So in this classification, there are 2 formulas that we're going to use. First, we have C equal 2 pi r, and next is C equal pi d. The first formula that we're going to use, when our given problem, we're going to find the value of radius. And the second formula, if the given problem that we're going to find is what? Our diameter. Did you get it? Okay, I have here an example. So I have here an example. The radius of a circle is 2 centimeters. So now, my question is, what is the formula that we're going to use? Is it formula number 1 or formula number 2? Alright, so that is formula number 1. So we have C equals 2 pi r. Then our r, or the radius, is 2 centimeter. So, substitute. Equal to pi, the value of our pi is 3.14 times, that is our r is 2. Alright, 2 times 3.14, that is what? 6.28 times our radius, that is 2. 6.28 times 2, we have 12.56 centimeter. Okay, do you have any questions? How about this one? The diameter of the circle is 5 centimeter. Okay, who wants to answer on the board? Yes, Catherine. Okay, let's check the answer of Catherine. So we have equal pi d. The value of our pi, that is 3.14 times our d is 5. So 3.14 times 5, 15.7 centimeter. So that is our diameter of our circle. Do you have any questions or any clarifications? That's great. Since you don't have any questions, I have here a questions. What is the formula that we're going to use if the given problem of the circumference is diameter? Yes, exactly. So we have C equal D. How about this one? If L and W represents our length and width. So now, what is the perimeter that we're going to use? We have perimeter of what? Precisely, it's a perimeter of a rectangle. Now, I want you to group into 5 groups. So each group, we're going to choose one representative in every question. So are you ready? So question number 1. Time's up. Correct answer is 32 centimeter. Very good. Some of you got the correct answer. Question number 2. Time's up. And the correct answer is what? 6 centimeters. Why 6 centimeters? Because 8 plus 20, that is 28. Minus 22, we have 6 centimeters. So now, that is 6. Some of you got the correct answer. Number 3. Time's up. So what is the correct answer? 22 centimeter. So next, number 4. Time's up. And the correct answer is what? 12.56. Very good. Some of you got the correct answer. Next, number 5. Time's up. And the correct answer is what? We have 25.12. Okay, thank you very much. And go to your respective area. And now, let's have a quiz. I want you to get 1/2 crosswise of paper and answer the following questions. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to do this test. Start answering now. Alright, time's up. Let's check your answer. Answer number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and the last number, number 5. So the answer number 1 is 13.6 centimeter. How about number 2? Very good. So we have 25.6 centimeters. How about number 3? Is it correct? 110 centimeter. So next, number 4, 27.632 centimeter. Next, the last number, we have 47.728 centimeter. Who got the perfect score? Some of you got the perfect score? That's great. And now, in your assignment, draw an object that perimeter or the circumference involved. Label all sides of your objects and solve it. And write in a short bond paper. And that's all for today. Once again, this is your teacher, Junry.